been?
Today's date is Monday, April 27th. It's a yellow day.
The word of the day today is adapt.
It's a verb and means to modify or change something to make it better.
Today's Lincoln birthday is Anthony R. Happy birthday.
You share your birthday with famous rock singer Patrick Stump. He's turning 31.
On this day in history in 1961, NASA launched Explorer 11 into the Earth's orbit to study gamma rays.
In Lincoln News, the IBA profile trait for May is reflective. Keep an eye out for people who give thoughtful consideration of their learning experience and understand their strengths in order to support their learning and development.
For Mr. Petty and Miss Swazo, all books are due in the Media Center by May 8th. Check your lockers and under your bed for missing library books, but watch out for the monsters.
In Fort Collins news, CSU is planning to build 3 new buildings and spend $244 million in the next 2 years. They will also do renovations with this money. They are planning to have 2 south buildings built and a dean of the College of Veterinary Medicine and Biomedical Sciences. It will be called the Medical Campus. It might be hard for students to adapt to the construction that will be happening.
In other Fort Collins news, people are coming together on May 1st to fill sandbags that will help protect us from flooding in the summer. Lincoln will be helping an international disaster relief organization in the city of Fort Collins. Make sure to ask your teacher if you can participate. If you want to learn more, make sure to ask Mr. Thompson, Mr. Adler, Gabriella Crow, or Heather Collington. Now to Litzy with Weather and Lunch.
What's cooking in the kitchen, Litzy?
Okay. Hey Lancers, I'm Litzy here with your Weather and Lunch. For lunch day, you will have Philly cheesesteak and steamed carrots. With that, you will have steamed carrots. For weather, you will have, for Monday's weather will be a high of 61 and a low of 38. And then Tuesday will be a high of 69 and a low of 39. And then Wednesday will be a high of 75 and a low of 42. Yeah, bring your small, thin sweaters because it will be kind of chilly. And yep, that's it for Weather and Lunch, Lancers.
Hey Lancers, it's me, Elena. Today's feature is about a mountain lion named P22 who camped out underneath a house. This big cat was being chased around by animal control when he outran them and hid. When animal control did find him, they tried to lure him out into the open with food toys and just straight poking him. They tried for hours to get him out, and when they finally gave up, he wandered out on his own. That's all from me, Lancers. Have a great day. Now on to Gabe with sports.
Hey Lancers, Gabe here with your sports for today. On Wednesday, the track team had their first meet against Blevins and Weber. Also on Friday, the golf team had a match against Blevins. Today, the track team has another meet against Bolts. Also today, the golf team plays Preston. Well, that's all for me, Lancers. Now back to your anchors, Super Stella and Crazy Camden.
That's all for your KLIN show, Lancers. Thanks for watching.
And remember, it's kind of fun to do the impossible, a quote by Walt Disney, the founder of anything Disney.
Bye.
Woo.